Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the Interim Budget 2024 in the Lok Sabha today. The Enforcement Directorate officials have arrested a sitting Chief Minister Hemant Soren from Jharkhand in an alleged money laundering case linked to illegal sale of army land. Ministry of Civil Aviation is set to launch 8 new flight routes for Ayodhya in Uttar Pradesh today to boost air connectivity for the holy city of Ayodhya and facilitate the arrival of pilgrims. Defence Secretary Giridhar Armane co-chaired the 12th Joint Military Cooperation Committee meeting with Secretary General Ministry of Defence Oman, Dr. Mohammed bin Nasser bin Ali Al Zabi in Muscat yesterday. Indian men's hockey team defeated Egypt in the FIH Hockey Men's World Cup 2024.